Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with HUD Exchange for compliance documents, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the HUD Exchange website. Locate the authentication portal. Click on the sign in button. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on create account. Fill in the required information on the registration form. Review and accept the terms of service. Submit the registration form. Check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the HUD Exchange website. Click on Sign in again. Enter your credentials to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Compliance Documents section. Select the specific documents you need to access. Follow the prompts to complete any necessary compliance checks. Download or review the required documents. Ensure all information is accurate and complete. If issues arise, contact HUD Exchange support for assistance. Log out of your account after completing your tasks. Keep a record of any downloaded documents for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.